How to flatten an HSS tube in SolidWorks. Step-by-step guide. Hello, SolidWorks enthusiasts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of flattening a welded HSS tube using SolidWorks. Start the weldment bracket. Open a new part file and initiate a 2D sketch on the front plane. Sketch the profile for your bracket. Use rectangle or line tools to define the layout. Create the HSS profile. Go to Weldments and select Structural Member. Choose the standard HSS 3x3 by 0.188 profile. Add the group to form your structure. Be sure to select Apply Corner Treatment to 0.1 inches. This creates a gap between intersections of square tubes, simulating weld-ready cuts. Add symmetry and planes. Insert a new plane that's symmetrical to the outer faces of the bracket. Use this plane as a reference for any mirrored features later in the workflow. Make the end cutouts. On one end face, draw a square cutout. Ensure the lower and right edges touch the start of the section radii. Cut extrude this square. This preps your bracket for proper bending and unfolding in sheet metal. Mirror the cutout. Use the newly created reference plane to mirror this cutout to the opposite side. Now both ends have identical relief. On the front plane, create a sketch. Connect the two outermost corners with straight lines. This sketch outlines your flat pattern's limits. Apply sheet metal features. Switch to the Sheet Metal tab and select Base Flange. Enter the wall thickness. 0.188 inches to match HSS. Set the direction as up to vertex on both ends, ensuring the base flange spans your entire sketch. Mirror the sheet metal body. Mirror the base flange using the reference plane to complete the bracket geometry. Combine all bodies. Use the Combine command, found under Insert Features, to merge all parts into one solid body. This simplifies the final unfolding operation. Flatten the pattern. Activate the Flatten feature in the Sheet Metal tab. Your flat pattern for the bracket is now ready for manufacturing or exporting. You now have a flat pattern for your tube bracket in SolidWorks, ready for fabrication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SolidWorks tips.